Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use count function in Excel. So let's open an Excel sheet first. Here we will learn about the count function, which includes four formulas, which are counter, count blank, and countif. We'll learn about these four functions today. Okay, let's start with counter. So, what counter does? Through counter, you can count um, some text actually, and some numbers too. But with count, you can count only the numbers. So let's start with counter. Let's write its formula, which is equals to counter, open parenthesis, and select the range of your data, and then close the parenthesis, click on enter. Here you can see there are 35 data, and now let's move to count. We'll put its formula, which is equals to count, open parenthesis, and then closing parenthesis, and okay. Here you can see there are 26 numbers. Here you can see 26 count. It's it's also shown here, so you can be sure by selecting it as well. Okay, let's move into the count blank. It means that how many cells are blank in your data. Let's say let's delete some data. Okay, now let's just count that how many blanks are here. Sorry, count blank. Okay, open parenthesis, and then close parenthesis and click on enter. Here you can see there are 5 blanks which are shown here. So okay, now with the countif function you can count that how many names or how many texts are here, or which text you want to find out. You can find out by it. Let's put a formula of countif, which is countif, select the range, and then put a comma, and let's say we want to know that how much this Abir name is repeated here. So we will just open, we'll just give inverted comma and write Abir's name there. Sorry. We'll find out that how many times the name Abir is repeated. So we will put inverted comma and write Abir's name. Okay, let's click on enter. Here you can see there are 2 times the name Abir is repeated. So that is why 2 is shown here. So hope this video helped you guys. If it did, then please like, comment and share this video. Subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon to get more exciting videos like this. Thanks so much for watching guys. Bye bye.